Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have CRO daily update. We are going to see two charts, CRO against Bitcoin, CRO against USDT as well, in which we will make our price prediction and technical analysis. Before we begin, do not forget to join the monthly subscription. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto, easy profits through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. For 200 altcoins, you will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell them. Also, you will get a manual system with over 90% win ratio. That is very unique. And of course, you will also get educational videos, personal guidance, market updates, and many other benefits. Join us, you won't regret it. And thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now quickly into CRO against Bitcoin chart. Okay. So right here, you can see that we had, according to me, actually, let's remove all the drawings right here so we can see it perfectly fine. I think that this is a clear bullish hammer candlestick. That means whenever it is also a green candlestick, you can see the body of the candlestick covers the upper shadow, and we have only the lower shadow, the lower wick, as we call it, of this candlestick. Okay, so right there, it seems to me like pretty much of a bullish hammer candlestick. Although sometimes, because I am seeing so much the candlestick patterns, I like them so much, sometimes they do not play out. Okay. So what this means is that sometimes you might be getting a bullish hammer candlestick or something else and it doesn't play out. Alright, I do not know if this is manipulation or so, but anyway, it doesn't always play out. I think this is the part of trading as well. This is the charm of trading. You cannot always win all the trades 100% every time, every year. Anyway, we are going now to draw the Fibonacci retracement, this time from this top, down to this bottom we formed back today on 29 November. Okay, we are on the 4-hour frame. That means each candlestick contains 4 hours of price action. Alright, so therefore you can see that for CRO against Bitcoin chart, we stopped a little bit below the 0.618. Now we might be going further down, but I won't be surprised if CRO against Bitcoin has a good buying pressure when we go further upwards into the 0.618, the 0.401514. Okay. If we go there, then CRO against USDT will be able to go even higher, except if Bitcoin crashes. Okay, if Bitcoin corrects more or crashes down, then yes, even if CRO against Bitcoin goes upwards, CRO against USDT won't go so much further above. And for me, Bitcoin can still go to 52K mark, around there. We haven't confirmed yet a very bullish trend. But anyway, you can see right now why we were correcting. From here we had this stochastic RSI going into an oversold. Now you can see that the altcoin against Bitcoin is getting some weakness. What do I mean by that? Is that we went into an overbought situation here with this stochastic RSI. Okay. And then we went into the same overbought level, but this time the altcoin had a lower high. Okay, so therefore that means that the altcoin is losing some strength right there. But anyway, we still can make it, because if we go to the daily frame, you will realize that we are going a little bit sideways and we have the stochastic RSI already into an oversold, while the RSI is around at the 65. So this is perfect. This is very good for CRO against Bitcoin. And let's go to CRO against USDT to see our price analysis. Drawing the same Fibonacci retracement from this top back on 24 November down to this bottom on 26. You can see that right there for CRO, we are just making lower lows, actually higher lows and lower highs. You can see right there. From this Fibonacci retracement line, we went down to here. And from this Fibonacci retracement line, we went up to this. Okay, so now we are bouncing between the 0.7688 around there and 0.7190. Okay, let's say 72 cents. All right. So therefore, we are bouncing between, and we can say that we have this lower high pattern, higher low, what we call a squeeze point. All right, after this squeeze point, we want to see if we can break above or break down. It isn't always 50% chance of breaking up, 50% chance of breaking down. I would give a little bit more onto probably breaking below, but a little bit more. Okay, let's say 65 to 70. It's not always 50-50, but here we have to wait a little bit. The fact, what I like about actually CRO is that, and I do not give many chances to break beyond, is that we have the same pattern here that I absolutely love. The stochastic RSI on the daily frame is now into an oversold situation. You can see we are below this brownish area. So the RSI is in a high level, and when we have that, we usually have a pretty good entry, and we usually go even higher. What I want you to be careful about is the weekly frame. And here I want a little bit to focus on the weekly frame. You can see right there we have an extreme high risk. With the RSI going above the 70, all the risk metrics are into an overbought situation. That's why you have to be extremely careful for CRO in the midterm, okay, especially in the midterm, because each time frame you are going upwards. So let's say that we move from the 4-hour frames to the daily frame, and from the daily to the weekly frame. Then you go and see and make a price prediction actually for the mid long term. When you just go into the 5 minutes, for example, if you want to trade into the 1 minute or so, you can see that you are daily trading, okay? But if you go higher into the next time frames, you are just short-term trading, sometimes mid, sometimes even long-term. The weekly frame is for the long-term, weekly and the monthly frame, okay? So therefore, you should be extremely careful actually for mid-long term. So you should be extremely careful. Apart from that though, I like so much that we are having the stochastic RSI into an oversold and the RSI into near the line. So what you should be doing right now, what is your purpose right here? What price levels and buying entries you should have? We were talking about the 58 cents. I still have from the previous videos the 58 cents as a major buying entry for me in case we go there. However, right now it would be the best for you if you want to trade with small profits. For example, if we close above the 0.7688 around there, you can just get a profit, a nice profit at the 0.80 around there to 81. If we close above the 0.80, you can get profits to 0.84 and so on. All right, what do we need in order to get to the 1 Tether USD? We have to break and close above the 90. That's where we minimize the risk. At the 90 cents, we minimize the risk here, and therefore closing above, seeing the body of the candlestick closing above, we can go even higher into the 1.05. That is another 17% profit, which is pretty good and amazing. Do not always chase the 50%, the 2x, the 3x. Okay, you need to be humble, you need to take profits and never be greedy. So right there we minimize the risk, and of course you need to minimize the risk first. Right there we minimize the risk, and next target the 1.05. Okay, but if you want to be more sure, then wait a little bit the price action. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day, do not forget to join the monthly subscription, buy me coffee / mind your crypto, we are waiting you, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye!